Hey guys, welcome to with the video for you guys. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off voice control on your iPhone in two different ways. First way we're going to be doing is by actually touching the screen. Now the second method is if you can't touch the screen, we're going to also show you how to do that as well. So let's get started. So if you have access to your iPhone just like I do, all you do is simply hop over to your setting. Once you go to your settings, just simply go to accessibility. Under accessibility, the first option you want to do is under voice control. You simply click that to turn it off, and then go back again, and this time instead of clicking that, you're going to want to go to where the side button is. Now if you click on the side button here, you'll see there's option to also enable or activate Siri or voice control. You want to turn this off as well so that the side button doesn't activate voice control if you have one of these two settings. So these two settings have to be turned off. Now if you have an older iPhone like the iPhone 8 or older, or iPhone with the home button, all you do is simply go into your setting, same exact thing, accessibility here, and again make sure voice control is off, and then instead of a side button you get a home button. So you need to ensure that the home button here doesn't activate voice control, so you need to turn that off as well. So that's how you turn off voice control. Now in a case you might say that you don't have the access or the ability to touch the screen, what can you do to turn off voice control? Let's go ahead and turn on voice control for a moment here. Right in the scenario that your phone is kind of on voice control, which this icon will indicate up top here, this is the commands that you're going to try to activate a voice control and able to turn it off. So usually something along the effect of, you're going to want to go and tell your phone things like the way that I'm saying here. So you're going to say open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility, tap accessibility, tap voice control, turn off voice control, tap confirm. Awesome. So as you can see here, you want to follow those steps as I mentioned here, following along how voice control works to turn off voice control. And once you have access again to your phone, you're going to go back here, and then again side button or home button, make sure that is turned off. Now in a scenario you just simply can't do anything with your phone, do a forced restart on your phone. So in order to do a forced restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another, and then hold this side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. At that time you'll let go of that button. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then you want to hold that side button just like that, and keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black here, and that will allow you to be able to touch the screen again. So as you can see here, I am pressing and holding here, and then I let go of the button when I see the home button, and that's just shutting down the software of the phone and then reloading it again. So if it's a software related issue impacting your phone, even after you maybe turned it off or you can't touch the screen, it'll resolve those issues for you. And once you're back again, you will not lose any of your data. Just simply follow the same step, whether you have control or not. Just go into your setting and then go to accessibility, and then again turn off a voice control just the way we did for the side button as well. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys next time.